What's up, everybody? All right. Yeah, so you ready? You ready to listen to this one? We'll let you hear the sounds of a Maserati Quattroporte. Quattroporte. Anyways, the Quattroporte. This one right here, beautiful car. Silver in color, the Q4 Quattroporte. Anyways, let's set the camera down and let's hear how it sounds. I'll tell you, Maserati has got a sound like no other. They really do sound good. So, yeah, let's check it out. So this is what we call a cold start. And what we're going to do, this car's got remote start on it. So we're going to crank it up right here with remote start. Double click. So as you can hear, sounds pretty good. I mean, it's just got a nice throaty sound to it. It's got the quad pipes. And it really is a beautiful vehicle, just the entire design of it. I would call it a sexy sedan, the Maserati. Anyways, it's Italian. Now I will hop in and actually just give it a few little revs for you. Nothing crazy, but just to give you a little taste of what it sounds like when you give it a little hit on the exhaust. So that's really about it. It sounds good, I would say, right when it cranks up. But after it's been running for a minute, it kind of quiets down a little bit. And when you rev it up, it really doesn't have a loud, like, wow, wow, you know, that type of thing going on. Now, if you added an aftermarket exhaust system on the car, well, man, no man, that would take it to a whole nother level. But this one's all stock. Now, the other bits of sound you'll get that sounds really good on this car is definitely between the engine and the exhaust when you're going down the road. But as far as luxury features and all that, I think Maserati's done a fantastic job of giving people kind of a great mix between luxury and performance. The interior is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the black leather and it's got floor mats like I've never seen before, how they wrap up and all. So it's definitely a very luxurious car. This one will be coming up for sale not too long from now, around 62,000 miles on it. So definitely stay in touch with us here at Southern Motor Company, and we'll do the best we can to hopefully sell one of you a beautiful Maserati Quattroporte. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.